It's fucked up, man. It's crazy, the motherfucker, man. Shit. I done got older than a motherfucker. I got kids, grandkids. Yeah, I'm a fucking granddaddy. My daughter, little bitch, who told her to do that? Little bitch. And she put me on TMZ. You seen it? Put me on fucking TMZ. Yeah, or cuss me out. Well, she tried to put me on the phone and make me tell her I was gonna kill her on the phone. Cause I done did it before. Bitch, I kill you. Cause that's what parents do. They get mad at the kids and tell them, I kill your ass. You don't mean it, shit. She trying to record me talking about, do what you said you always gonna do. I said, what's that? You know. I said, I done been set up with cocaine. I know I ain't finna let you set me up. This some bullshit. And I knew her Thundercat looking ass mama had something to do with it. This bitch coached her into it. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened, and don't tell no motherfucker I said this. I didn't know I was gonna make it back in the day, and I was fucking girls that looked like James Brown. And we had a baby now. The baby's 18, half me, half James Brown. Now all my older ugly kids want to fight my new cute kids. They pinching them, little pinch. Cutting their hair off. My little daughter came in there looking like Lance Armstrong one night. I said, what the fuck, where'd your hair go?